Don't you people hate it when you use every goddamn DVD ripper program there is out there on the internet and you get errors like this and this and this and this and this, which takes forever and there's nothing you can do about it. And when you do rip a DVD, some of the files don't even show. Like it actually just shows only 1 or 2 videos when there's actually a hell of a lot more videos on one DVD. And when you do copy it, you see and hear this bullshit. So, and some of the videos don't even have sound, and sometimes you just get a black picture. So if anybody actually knows a working DVD ripper program of this year that actually works, please let me know, because I'm tired of this fucking bullshit. I tried around 20 different programs and they all don't work worth a shit. So please send me an email. My email is right below the video here. So